Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 9th of February 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 14th. The max OI level is lower for both, that's negative. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. The change is higher for PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, that's positive, and historical volatility is lower, that's also positive. Keep in mind these are all values from 2 weeks ago, compared to values from 2 weeks ago. The RSI is lower, that's negative. There is no divergence, that's negative. MACD is negative as well. The ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. The EMAs are both higher, that's 2 positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. And the candlestick is bearish, that's also negative. And let me change this. So the current support is 350, the previous support was 400, the current resistance is 385, and the last resistance was 430. That's all for this video. And by the way, the prediction from the option chain is that Tesla goes down. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.